In this video, we're going to show you how to receive or check in an order. The order we want to check in is this one right here, ending in 443. The first 3 digits, the full PO number of this is actually 130443. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to type this number in to our back-end system, which is called RMS, or Run My Shop. We're going to type that number 130443 in here, press enter, and this order pops up. You can see the order number is exactly what we searched. The client is Mouse Marketplace, and over here to the right, if you click on this icon where it says designs, you'll see all 8 of the different designs. So this order has actually 7 different designs, and this last one here is the poly bag finishing, so that's not actually anything we need to receive. That's just an additional line item for some finishings. But there are 7 designs here that need to be checked in. You can see that at least one of these had some garments arrive on another day. It hasn't necessarily been checked in yet, but the bag of garments was placed in bin number 8, which is down here. Bin number 8, and that right there says 443, so that's the same order. But we're going to print out all of these packing slips so that we can begin checking in the order. So here on the far right, you're going to click on More and click on View Packing Slip. Now when you click this, it's going to show you all the packing slips for the order. We're going to print out all these packing slips except for the one that says poly bag finishing. So on the keyboard, I'm going to hit Control P. This window will pop up, and over here where it says pages, I'm going to click Custom, and because we're only printing pages 1 through 7 and not number 8, which was the finishing, we're going to put 1-7. So that should print us the first 7 pages. Click print, and it should pop out right here. All the sheets have been printed out, and I've put each sheet on its own clipboard. You can see here 1 out of 8. This is 2 out of 8. That's 3 of 8, and so on and so forth. I've laid them all out here just so I can see them all at the same time. And what I'm going to start doing now is unboxing these shirts, and I will start assigning them to each individual clipboard depending on the type of garment and also the color of the garment, and also all of the size breakdowns. So this says 1717 garment dyed heavyweight ring spun short sleeve t-shirt, and it's navy, and you can see our size breakdown here. So once I start opening these boxes, I want to make sure I find these navy short sleeve t-shirts, count in all the correct numbers. If the numbers are all correct, I'm going to put a little dot to the left of each size that is correct, and once it's fully done, I'm going to put my initial right here where it says checked in by. My initial goes there, and then I'm also going to put the check-in date in this box right here. And lastly, after counting those in, we're going to go back to RMS. So here's our same order that we're looking at, 130443. This first design was that piece of paper that we were looking at, 1717, garment dyed heavyweight ring spun short sleeve shirt in navy. Once that sheet is fully checked in and complete, I'm going to click this little red dot right here that says QC. If all the in numbers match, I'm going to enter all these the same as the ordered amount. So let's say right here where it says 11 smalls were ordered, I would enter 11 right here. And then for medium, if I counted 30 mediums, I would put 30 here, and so on and so forth. Again, this is assuming that I found every single garment I needed for this specific design. I'm notating that all the in counts are correct. And then here at the bottom, where it says item status location, I would put items received, because it's all complete. I would not put partially received, because all the counts are there. So I'd click items received, and then I would click here and type in the rack location that I've assigned for that order. Now, this rack has garments fully stacked up, so if I was to assign a rack location for this order, it looks like this right here, rack number 4, would be a pretty good spot for it. So I would go into the computer and I would just put 4 right here and then click change status, and that will save it into the computer. You can see here that it changed this little icon to green, items received. If I click on that red dot again, all the information I filled out should be saved in there. You can see all the in counts. You can see that it says items received and rack number 4.